Pakistan Junior League qualifier number 1. Here we go. What a delivery first up. That is a beauty and well kept out. That's the first little while. Oh, that's not too far away from chopping on. Oh, that's a lovely shot down the ground. There's plenty of runs always there. That is beautiful from Basad Ali.
A beautiful looking shot. Slightly overpitched. Trying to look for that away swinger. He does get a little bit of away swing, but it goes straight into the middle of the bat.
Terrific way to start the over. There's an edge. Oh, and he's grasped it. He's put it down. Benkenstein went quickly to him, but he's there for that reason.
Slip has been there for a while. And remember in the last game he was saying the ball's not carrying, should I be here? Well, this one definitely did carry and came at pace. Because he just opened the face. It wasn't an edge, it was right off the face of the bat. Trying to get it down to third and put down.
Some nice bounce too. Look at the reaction from the bowler. Shoaib, disappointment. Smile there from Shoaib. That's nicely played. Oh, it's tipped past the post. Chase is on now. It's going to be a teaser. And oh, has the ball won or not? I'm not sure it has. We're going to have to look at that a couple of times, I think.
Captain trying to get there, trying to get there. No, it's 4. Definitely 4. Mid-off and did go for a 4.
That's a fine stroke.
I think he's trying to go more towards mid-wicket because there was a big gap. And it just, once again, swings late. So he decides, I tell you what, I'll let it straight back over your head instead. What a shot.
Oh, it's a beautiful delivery. There was a noise, and up goes the finger.
Through the leg side, but just watch this delivery. Starts middle and off, and is an absolute beauty. Simple catch just for the wicketkeeper. He's appealing before the ball has come to him, but I don't think you get a better delivery than that. For me, that's the delivery of the tournament so far. Full, pace, swing. Absolutely magnificent.
Over the top. Not by much. And it's going to run away for 4.
Playing so well. Confident. 100 already in his pocket. And he's trying to fight fire with fire. He's going at it.
Mid on and gone.
And all he does is he just picks out mid on. It's a simple catch. Delight for them all. Look at Luke Benkenstein. He knows how important that is and gets him off the hook a little bit for putting him down early on. Big wicket.
Basad Ali has been the glue. Oopsie, where's that gone? I think that might be a wide or a no ball.
I'm not sure what happened. I don't know what he was trying to do, whether he was trying something different. I don't think he was. I think maybe it just slipped out. It is miles away from anywhere.
Imagine that first ball you're going to face.
Don't watch.
That's a beautiful shot. That will be...
The captain of Bahawalpur Royals, he was rested in the previous games. And look at this shot. This is a beautiful shot.
That's a good shot. That is an excellent shot. Straight, full face of the bat.
Shahwaz Irfan, he is absolute treat to watch as well. This Bahawalpur lineup, the batting lineup is so good to watch.
And just puts you off with the line. Keeper tried to stop that. Even that glove onto that ball didn't stop it. Just races away.
The extra energy, you want to do something extra. He wants to swing it really big from outside off.
Down on one knee, launches that, but fails to get distance. He's gone.
Gwadar Sharks creates for the opposition. Every bowler is a wicket taker. Down on one knee, Shahwaz Irfan tried to go for that big shot against Arafat Minhas, but he was too good. Easy catch in the deep for Saad Masood.
He's straight away off the mark, and will be a boundary.
quick hands there by Mohammad Danish away from that fielder at point.
It's in the air. He hasn't got hold of it. This might be trouble. He's popped it out. Oh, yes.
Mohammad Danish getting a life here. Went for a big slash. Arafat Minhas messed it up a little bit. This one, when it goes up, the ball spins a lot.
So far has Masood, courtesy of those 5. Oh, that might be interesting.
No. Well, he's gone. He's gone. Unnecessary run out.
And he's going to see red. Whilst nicely played. Threaded the needle, and that's gone for 4. That's what they needed.
Through that gap. Back with a square. That's well played. It's too many. Had to make sure he got it.
A little bit short and a bit leg side, and it's got the treatment. So there's another boundary to finish the over.
Calls it, catch it. They thought it might have gone to that man at 45, but he's forced it wide of him. To the left. Wide enough for the man at backward square to get the boundary as well.
Full toss. Man out there. He's not going to get close to it, though. It's going to go for 4. So here's a chance. There's a boundary off the first ball.
Then was just gifted a parcel. He's found the gap in front of square.
He's got hold of that. You can tell by the sound of it. 6 to end the over.
Middle of the bat. Of course, there's a man back there. He wasn't bothered about that. Pick the googly and smash it out the park. Good way to finish the over.
Top edge. Nothing the keeper could do about it. Just flies with the pace.
Tried to dig it in. Maybe just off the gloves or off the top edge. Flies over the keeper for a boundary. Did have a man back at deep square leg, but fine leg is up.
Makes room. Doesn't clear. Gone. Saad takes the catch.
You just see in the slot, maybe a bit of pace off, and he tries to go over extra cover and just picks out mid-off. Simple catch.
He's used the pace again. This is going to the fielder. Good. Oh, yes, good catching. Momin takes the catch.
Best way for the Sharks to just stop them scoring runs is to keep getting wickets. Probably timed it too well, probably trying to get it a little bit finer.
That should be 4.
He can access both sides because of his open stance. Times the ball beautifully past.
Again, that pace taken off. Oh, he's missed it.
Throughout the competition, done all your hard work as a bowler, bowling a slower delivery. Okay, if it's 2, that's fine. What you can't do is just let it through your legs. Got to concentrate on the ball, get yourself in a position.
Full toss again, and he's gone. It's just that height doesn't really allow you to smash it.
Yeah, he's still not happy though, is he? The bowler, he's still having a go at the keeper, saying to Zulkifel, what are you doing? Hold the ball. Let's finish this off. It's been a good ending for the Sharks. In the last 5 overs, they kept the Royals down to 37 for 3.